Today we are going to learn how to create a presentation using Canva. So we'll start with Canva homepage. This is my Canva homepage. In the search bar, I'll type okay, let's select this one. Once you select a template, a new tab will open to edit that particular template. Once the tab is loaded, you can start editing the template. Now, this is the title slide. The first slide is the title slide. So, your topic is my family. So, let's start editing. You can remove this. You can write my family. Layouts that are given to you in this particular template. You can add this one, this one, this one, whatever you want to. Suppose I want will ask me whether I want to add this template as a new page or replace the current page. So I will click add as new page. Why? Because it will replace, because otherwise it will replace our title page. So we will write add new page. See, when we scroll up, this is our page 1, that is the title page. This is our page 2. Now over here, you can family members names. You can write dad. Write names in place of whatever you call them. Suppose I call my dad, so I'll write dad. Me over here. You can whatever you call your brother, you can write his name over here or his pet name over here. You can write your sister's pet name over here or your grandfather's name or whatever you call them. Now I have a son, so I will write son over here. Don't want, if you have only three family members, so you can remove these three. That depends on how many family members you have and what you want to write over here. Now over here I just wanted to write my family members name, so I wrote it down over here. That's your choice what you want to fill up the slide with, but it should be about your family. Now I want to add one more page, so I can write add this page over here. I can pages also, that depends on you. There is no limit for how many pages you can use, but at least there should be at least 3 pages. Okay, now we are ready for uh, this downloading. We are ready with the presentation, so I will download this presentation. Now how to download this presentation? You need to click on the downward arrow over here on the top right corner, and we don't want all 25 pages, right? We have not edited so many pages. We have only edited 3 pages, so we will select those 3 pages: page 1, page 2, and page 3, and then we'll click on done, and see page 1 to 3 will be downloaded, and we'll click on download option. Then Canva will prepare your design and it will get downloaded. Thank you so much.